Hot lunches anywhere, no microwave needed. This is my Travelisimo heated lunchbox, and I use it almost every day. Today I'm heating up a hamburger patty and broccoli, but honestly this thing handles just about everything. I've heated spaghetti, chili leftovers, you name it. You just load your food in it, plug it in, and let it do its thing. Push the little button on top, let any steam get out, and let it go. A little while later, hot and ready to eat lunch. Heats it evenly, melts the cheese, melts the butter. For work days, travel days, or road trips, this will become part of my daily routine. If you're tired of cold lunches, this is a simple upgrade and one I highly recommend.